Welcome to my channel Pharma Discussion with Kaji. Today I am here with few MCQs and their answers on cardiovascular system. The first question is, brassicap is the main side effect of. The options are lisinopril, losartan, digoxin, captopril. The correct answer is captopril. Here brassicap, that is dry cough, occurs in 4 to 6% patient within 1 to 8 weeks of the intake of captopril. It is not dose related and appeared to be caused by inhibitions of bradykinin or substance P breakdown in the lungs of susceptible individuals. Next question. Under physiological condition, the rate limiting enzyme in the generation of angiotensin II is renin, aminopeptidase, angiotensin converting enzyme, angiotensinases. The correct answer is C, that is angiotensin converting enzyme. It is also known as kinase 2. We know that a plasma alpha 2 globulins which is angiotensinogen is converted to angiotensin 1 with the help of renin. Then angiotensin 1 is converted to angiotensin 2 with the help of angiotensin converting enzyme or kinase 2. Then angiotensin 2 is converted to angiotensin 3 with the help of enzyme aminopeptidase. Then angiotensin 3 is converted to inactive fragments with the help of enzyme angiotensinases. Next question. The structural features common for atenolol, pindolol, metoprolol and propranolol in the side chain is diethyl aminopropantuol, dimethyl aminopropantuol, isopropyl aminopropantuol, dibutyl aminopropantuol. The correct answer is C, that is isopropyl aminopropantuol. If we see the structure of atenolol, pindolol, propranolol and metoprolol, it is found that in the side chain there is CH2, CHOH, CH2NH, CH, CH3, CH3. In case of all these 4 drugs, and this side chain is known as isopropyl aminopropantuol. Next question. In very severe digitalis intoxication, the best choice is to use. The options are lidocaine, dizibind, oral potassium supplementation, reducing the dose of the drug. The correct answer is dizibind, which is given in the intravenous route. Next question. The antihypertensive drug with a tetrazole ring is. The options are felodipine, fosinopril, diazoxide, losartan. The correct answer is losartan. And this is the structure of losartan. It is seen that a tetrazole ring consisting of 5-membered heterocyclic ring with 4 nitrogen. Next question. Glyceryl trinitrate is administered by the following route except. The options are oral, intramuscular, sublingual, intravenous. Here the word except is there. It means all the 3 options are correct and 1 is incorrect. We have to find the incorrect option. Here, the glyceryl trinitrate is not administered through intramuscular route. So the correct option is B. Next question. Which of the following anti-anginal agent is a potassium channel opener? The options are dipyridamole, valsartan, minoxidil, atenolol. Here the correct answer is minoxidil, which is a potassium channel opener and vasodilator. Here dipyridamole is a PDE3 inhibitor and valsartan is angiotensin 2 receptor blocker and atenolol is a beta blocker. Next question. Coronary still phenomena has been noted most frequently with glyceryl trinitrate, propranolol, diltiazem, dipyridamole. The correct answer is dipyridamole. Here coronary still phenomena is a phenomenon where an alteration of circulation pattern leads to a reduction in the blood flow directed to the coronary circulation. It is caused when there is narrowing of the coronary arteries and a coronary vasodilator is used, then stealing blood away from those parts of the heart. Next question. For congestive heart failure patient, which of the following calcium channel blocker should be avoided? The options are felodipine, diltiazem, nifedipine, amlodipine. The correct answer is diltiazem. Diltiazem is avoided in patient with CHF because there is a negative inotropic effect which may worsen the disease. Next question. Pure class 3 antiarrhythmic drug is? The options are amiodarone, bromelain, verapamil, sotalol. Here amiodarone is a class 3 drug only. Bromelain is class 2 as well as class 3 drug. Verapamil is a class 4 drug and sotalol is a class 2 and class 3 drug. So it is clear that amiodarone is the pure class 3 antiarrhythmic drug. Thank you for watching.